Ever updated your Nvidia drivers and instantly regretted it? Today, we're quickly rolling back those troublesome drivers to a more stable version. First, we need to find where your drivers are hiding. Type Device Manager into the Windows search bar and select it from the results. Inside Device Manager, expand the Display Adapter section. This reveals your graphics card, likely an Nvidia one. Right-click on your Nvidia card and select Properties from the drop-down menu. This opens your graphics card's properties, where you will want to click the Driver tab. Here, you'll see a Rollback Driver button. If this button is available, it's your quick fix. Simply click it and follow the prompts. However, if the Rollback Driver button isn't available, like in this example, we have to manually uninstall the offending driver. Back inside your graphics card's properties window, click the Uninstall Device button instead. A confirmation window will appear. Make sure to check the box that says delete the driver software for this device before uninstalling. This is very important. Then, confirm the uninstall. Once uninstalled, your screen might flicker or look a bit off. That's normal. Now, you're going to open up a browser and go to the Nvidia driver download page. Download the older driver that worked well for you. You can find these on the Nvidia website by searching Nvidia driver downloads. Run the downloaded installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the older driver. Your screen may flicker during the install process. Again, once complete, restart your computer. And that's it. Your older, hopefully more stable, driver should now be installed. Now you're back in action. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.